Hello everyone, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how you can select specific items in your images. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's say you want to select a specific person out of a whole image and send it as a sticker, or you just want to share a specific image, your specific item in your image, and this video is for you. So what you want to do is select a specific image from your gallery. It can be a food, it can be a scenery, it can be different groups of people, and you want to select a specific person from it. So I have selected a food picture, and as you can see, if I hold on this chicken item, I can move it and only this will be selected, as you can see here. And I can copy it, add as a sticker or share. So you can do this to multiply images, and if you want to remove the background, then this is also a hack for you in iPhones. And I hope this video was helpful for you in how to select specific items in your images from your gallery. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's me, Elise, signing off, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching.